Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to authenticate a domain in Mailchimp. Now that your domain is successfully added to Mailchimp, you still need authentication. Click on this Start Authentication button. Mailchimp uses entry to easily configure your domain. Let's try to Yesterday, I've used the manually authentication method. And in this video, I will try this service or this automatic method. I need to log in to my Hostinger using my Hostinger details to give a one-time permission to connect your domain. Click on this continue button. By the way, I'm not sure why they asked for Hostinger because my domain is registered on a different domain registrar that is not Hostinger. But I will give them a Hostinger details. As you can see, they couldn't find my domain in my Hostinger account. So I will go with the manual setup. Click on go to a manual setup. Now I will log into my domain registrar. My domain registrar for this domain is internet.bs. I will go to the DNS settings. Click on add new record. Select the type. I think it's a CNAME. The host name. This is it. And the required value, just like that. Click on add. Now let's add the second CNAME. Click on add. Now let's add this txt record. Txt, this is the name and this is the value. Click on add. Now click on apply now. Now that my changes were successful, let's close this window and go back to Mailchimp and click on this button. I have added 3-on-3 records above to my domains provider. You're all set. Now all you need to do is to just click on this done button and wait for Mailchimp to check for the records. It could take up to 48 hours to validate that the records were created correctly, though typically the process is much quicker. Now you will see a new banner here. I will refresh this page to see it. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. After just some hours, you will see a top bar letting you know that the process is in progress, and they will notify you once completed. And this is how to authenticate a domain in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.